Okay, welcome back to step 8. Now in this video we are going to go through actually what is going to be steps D and E, and we're going to write out our sales copy, and we're going to add that copy to the JVZoo instant sales page. And we're actually going to give you a little cheat here. We're going to cheat a little bit the process, and we're going to get that copy into your JVZoo sales page. Now, what we're going to do is you've already have available to you, you have a bonus, and I'm going to show it to you right now. And you've probably looked at it already. And you know that, okay, inside of your bonus package, you have access to the product Sales Page Titan, Sales Letter Titan. So inside of there are lots of different sales letters for you to be able to use. And so what you're going to do here is you are going to now find one of these sales letters that matches your situation. Now, in my particular case, if I were using this for model airplanes, I'd want to look for something that might be looking to sell a hobby, right? Or something like that, something recreational. And when I look through here, I see that there is a sales letter for skydiving, which is great. That probably will adapt very well. So I'm going to go ahead and open up that sales letter. It's going to open up to an HTML page inside of my web browser. Right, so now once it opens up to that page inside of my web browser, I'm actually going to have the copy right there in front of me. Right, so now what I want to do here is I'm going to I'm just going to copy everything all the way down. So I'm going to copy this entire sales letter. And this is really the cheat that I told you about. So you're going to take those sales letters and you're going to adapt them to your particular niche. Now, understand, now you are going to either want to have your sales page written for you, and you might want to have your sales page written once you have gotten a couple of sales. But this will get your membership up and running. And all you'll need to do is just take the tutorial that we've given you and just adapt the sales letter to your niche. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open up JVZoo. We're going to go to the instant sales page and open it. And then we're going to click the edit button. And once we click the edit button, we're just going to copy and paste all this information into the editor. We're going to make some changes here. We're going to write in our page title. We're going to write in our page description. We're going to put in any keywords. If we want our background to be a different color, we just click in there. And you can change the color if you want. Right? I always like to use black, but you can change that to anything you want. Right? I don't enable Facebook comments, especially in order to get started. And then we're just going to click Save Landing Page. And then you'll notice you've basically got a sales page. So what now you have to do is you've just got to adapt it to your particular niche. And of course, the best of all worlds is always going to be for you to have this written for you. If you can't have it written for you in order to get started, you need to get a few sales first. Then go ahead and get your page up there. You'll notice that you've got this button. That's your JVZoo sales button. Now what you're going to do with that button, you can put that button any place. Let's kind of go inside of here. I'll show you that. You go inside of the editor here. You can place that button any place on the page that you want. You're just going to kind of copy it. If you want to place it up at the beginning, you can do that. So you can put that button any place you want on the page and any place that you think it might make sense. Okay, so now what we have is we have a basic sales page. We are now ready to go to the next step. So with that, thanks. I will see you in the next video.